Hi, I'm Frank Habib, Applications Engineer at Epson Robots. Today, I'm here to talk to you about our G1 and GX4 robots. The G and GX series robots are our highest performing SCARA robots. What you see behind me is a precision pick-and-place application, as well as our Vision Guide product, which is an inspection of the parts. There are two G1 robots responsible for picking up the individual components that are already palletized and placing them in front of a high-resolution 5-megapixel camera to perform a visual inspection of the needles. In this case, we're taking advantage of the vision system to gauge the needle size and ensure that there are no defects. The GX4 is picking up the components that have passed the visual inspection and presenting them to a curing station. The GX4 is used here since it has the speed and precision, but also the greater reach necessary to service the entire tray of product. The line utilizes Epson RC Plus 7X software, which works with our entire robot and controller lineup. The benefit is that you learn how to program on one of our robots, then you know how to program on all of our robots. Epson RC Plus offers a comprehensive suite of advanced tools and features in one convenient integrated environment. The Vision Guide system shown here is a standalone CV2 controller that can run up to 6 cameras, 4 GigE and 2 USB. Vision Guide is fully integrated with Epson RC Plus development environment for easy configuration and calibration. The intuitive solution features a point-and-click interface that makes it simple for users at all levels. With a single point of support for both robots and vision guidance, Epson Vision Guide allows for fast development and simplified maintenance. The G1 Mini SCARA robot is a unique SCARA arm that has a 1 kilogram max payload and is available with a 175 or 225 millimeter reach. The Z stroke on the robot is 100 millimeters, 80 for the clean room version. These machines are known for their precision and throughput, with the repeatability of plus or minus 5 microns for high precision applications and easy integration. The end-of-arm service includes 9-pin and 15-pin D-sub connectors, as well as 2 6mm lines and 1 4mm airline. The GX4 robot has a 4 kilogram payload, which is 1 kilogram more than the previous G3 model, which is in the same compact footprint. The GX4 arm can be specified with different arm lengths, including 250, 300, or 350 millimeter reach. The Z stroke of the robot is 150 millimeters, 120 for the clean room version. The repeatability starts at plus or minus 8 microns. The robot shown here is mounted to the table, but there's also multiple mount options. The cables of the robot from the robot to the controller are removable and can be specified to come from the rear of the robot as shown here, or come from the bottom of the robot. The GX4 has a batteryless encoder as well. There is a RJ45 connector on the end of the arm, as well as a 15-pin D-sub connector. There is also 2 6mm lines and 1 4mm airline. Both the G1 and GX4 are shown in the standard environment here, but they can be specified in cleanroom ISO 3 or electric static discharge options. The GX4 has an ESD-only specification. The robot runs off 220-volt single-phase power. Both robot controllers feature easy access back panel connections and a variety of connections including our optional teach pendant, as well as safety wiring for wiring up your safety circuit. There are 24 user inputs and 16 user outputs. If additional I/O is required, we offer an I/O expansion board. PNP and NPN wiring styles are both supported. TCP/IP comes standard with the robot controller. The robot has 2 options. It can run standalone using RC Plus or use field bus such as Ethernet IP, CC-Link, Profinet, and Profibus. There's also an API.NET option for the .NET users. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about our popular G series and GX series robots. To learn more, visit us online at epson.com.